Merry Christmas.
It's after Christmas.
It's the day after Christmas.
Santa did not come
Santa.
and put our fucking engine in.
Santa didn't finish this.
All I wanted for Christmas was for him to finish this.
You know, honestly, we didn't leave him milk and cookies. It's kind of on us. I left him Coors Light and Spam.
That's literally what you need to get a job done.
Yeah. But as of right now, we're just trying to get everything lined up.
Might pull a trans.
Might yank a couple trannies in the process. But we're gonna try wiggling some other things and attempting not to end our lives.
That's really hard with one hand.
You're doing great, buddy.
Come here, fucker. Look, this. This one.
All right. Dude, check out this wicked litter that I got. The paramedics left it at my mom's house when she died, so they just gave it to me. I'm not even joking.
This handle's so warm.
I got a warm hand, Bubba.
No, on the splines.
Why?
Because that's the part that's tight.
Yeah, but if you put it on here, it's doing the same thing.
You're doing the same thing.
Shut up before I stab you and inject you with grease.
Now you got me thinking about how I'm breathing out of my nose. I'm just gonna become a mouth breather now.
Dude, it was terrible.
I'm real close.
The whole time I was editing. God damn, we really are a couple fat fucking chuds. We can't fucking.
That's how you came up.
Standing there and we're just like.
That's how you came up with the fucking title?
Yeah.
Bro was like, yeah, this is
Dude, it was legitimately bothering the fuck out of me. There was parts that I was like, that was a little funny, but I'm not tolerating 40 seconds of nose whistle to keep the footage in.
Oh my god. Caught the break.
Nothing I love more than my cup of Joseph in the morning.
Joseph Getty.
Joe Getty Fitness? Dude. Joe, I got some garbage in my backyard. I'm gonna have to hit you up. Pay you a couple doubloons to come pick this stuff up.
He said appliances, not shitty ass BMWs.
Shitty BMW and a lawnmower and a motorcycle. And aluminum.
No, that's gonna be a table.
Dude, we could put epoxy in the middle and it look like a river. This video is sponsored by Mr. Sam's Spray Wax.
I don't think I've ever heard of that.
So it's Mr. Sam.
He looks like a nice guy.
He's a very nice guy.
Wait, let me see that bottle.
This is spray wax. I got one of his t-shirts. I got his spray wax.
If it would focus. He looks like a nice guy.
Real cool fella. But stuff's magical. Use it on cars, boats, buses, aeroplanes, houses. I don't know what part of a house you'd be calling it. And refrigerator doors.
Well, I mean, if you like sprayed your siding, it would make the water not stick to it.
Wax my siding.
Yeah.
So
imagine how cleaning.
On?
That
smells
really good.
That shit smells fucking delectable. Mr. Sam, you know what you're up to. Keep it up. gonna try again.
Okay.
There you go. I reckon that's plenty for oil pressure.
Sounded good.
Yeah, didn't hear any valves kissing anything.
Didn't hear any knocking.
Yeah.
All right, now you want to pop the dough. Gonna be stinky.
There's a little bit of smoke.
And its head. All right, just scream violently if we need to turn it off.
Woo!
Actually not smoking. I got a CPMS light on! Oh!
Figure we they haven't really gotten a shot of the whole car.
I guess. A little dirty. I suppose for those that don't know.
Yeah.
Fake Subaru.
Listen to that rod knock.
Hey, you can get a real nice flywheel shot because of my fucking hole. Dude, there's a hole in the block.
Look at these fucking battery terminals.
Don't look at this.
Average fancy looking on the outside car.
Average Subaru owner. Fat tips too, dude.
Little no hood test drive.
Give me my seatbelt.
You know, I've never been in this car.
Huh?
Nope.
Well, welcome.
Welcome to the show. Perfect weather.
Kinda is. Bob around town.
Yeah.
Should have filled up there. Let's go to Quick Trip.
Have coffee. It's so weird that your RPM is the center gauge.
It's because it's a race car, dude.
I think I'll make you pay for it. No.
Did you get it to seal a little bit? Or
No, it's like if you push on it, more comes out. No air hose.
We'd have to go over there, but if we're going back anyways,
Yeah.
seal that out.
Put a real hose clamp on it. A little smoky.
Little, yeah, now that you squeeze the fuck out of it.
Dude, I noticed it dripping and I was like, let me wiggle it and see if I can get it to seal. Did not. We're gonna have to wait for it to
Cool down, yeah.
cool down and
It's gotta be the coolant plus, yeah, look at all that fucking shit in there, dude. Oh no.
so
Oh,
it's
I see
leaking,
it dripping
yeah,
right
it's leaking
there.
down
Okay.
here and then
dropping
dripping
down.
on.
Okay.
Because that's what I thought too, is oh no, timing cover. But no, it's...
God, she stinks.
And then you
might want to keep that door open. Yeah, don't fuck with it.
do that and it just fucking pours a bunch.
You can hear it. Well, at least it's not going to drip on your floor. Well, get yours started. I'll go look for mine. Body work.
Yeah, we're a little bit of a fabrication shop.
That's better. Here we go. That'll do.
That's a tire. Little audio check. It does pull decent.
Yeah, it's not bad. Got that limited sleep.
Well,
That's it.
that's it. That's a wrap. That's a Keenan. Car's done. He's gonna pick it up tomorrow. He's gonna bring us his other one. It's also got a blown motor.
Potentially, we don't know. For sure.
Maybe a blown motor. So we're kind of gonna do a little autopsy, see what we can find out, do some troubleshooting on it.
My assumption it also needs a rear diff.
It'll need some parts. It'll be some fun. And then once we're done with that one, I got a million other hot rods we can pull in. So maybe we work on some of his junk. We'll see.
Yeah, you thought this was bad.